Let me show you how to add 1/2 cup plus 3/4 cup. It's pretty easy actually. So when we're adding fractions, we're going to take our 1/2 cup plus our 3/4 of a cup. And what we want to do is we want to get this denominator here to be the same. If this is the same number, we just add the numerators and we're done. Let's take and have 2 times 2. 2 times 2 would give us 4. We already have 4 here, so that would be the same. But we can't just multiply the denominator. We also need to multiply the numerator by 2. 2 over 2, it's 1, so we're not really changing anything, just the way it's written. So 2 times 1, that's 2, and 2 times 2 is 4, and then we have our 3/4 here, and now we can just add them together. 2 plus 3, that equals 5. We bring the 4 across, and we have 5/4 of a cup. Might be easier to think about this as a mixed number. So 4 goes into 5 one time, so that's 1 cup. It goes into 5 one time with 1 left over. We just bring the 4 across, and 5/4 of a cup, that equals 1 1/4 of a cup. So that's our mixed number. That kind of makes sense. We take 1 cup, and then we get 1/4 of a cup, and that gives us 1/2 plus 3/4 cup. This is Dr. B, and thanks for watching.